Alright, so my headphones that I use quite a bit, don't really have anywhere to go. Like, they're like over there next to the Joy-Con thingy, like right there, and they're like just placed there. And like, I put my earphones on top, and they all just end up getting tangled, and it's just a big mess at the end of the day because I have to unravel them, and then it just gets annoying because after I'm unraveling them, I've got to find a place to put the other headphones. So I decided to make a headphone stand. So let's hop on to Fusion 360 and let's go and design it. Alright, so now that my model is done, let's get a time lapse of it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, jeez. Alright, so yeah, they're not meant to be in two pieces. Hopefully, some PVA glue can stick it back together, and hopefully these supports will support it whilst it dries. Hopefully. So, came off the printer, and it was alright, except for the little defects on the bottom. I don't know why this happened, but like, it's never happened before. There's a little hump there. There's a little gap, little bumps here. A gap, like a gaping hole kind of thing here. Why did that happen, you ask? Not a clue. This, I can explain. That's just from the little gap on the print bed, which I'm trying to get replaced as soon as possible. And, you might have seen it. The two layers kit, these two things were in two pieces when I took it off. Because me being the idiot I am, grabbed onto this instead of holding the whole thing to like pull it off the bed. And when I did that, it snapped clean off. It snapped clean off from one layer. Don't know if you can see that, but right there. So I got some super glue and glued it back together. And so far it's stayed. But now it's for the real test. Can it hold this pair of headphones? Alright, so my intended plan was to be like this. Slide it in. You see, I didn't make it tall enough, so yeah, it's a bit short, but if I can just pull it up a bit, it does work. So all I need to do is to like print another bit that goes on the bottom that increases it about 3 centimeters, maybe. I'm probably wrong, but I just need to increase the height by a little bit. I can easily do. Glue it on the bottom, which will mean it'll cover all this defects, hopefully, and it should work.